In other news, Deputy President Gachagua has said the government will expand the community health promoters program to reach all the households in the country to enhance earlier detection of diseases. Speaking at Kapkatet Stadium, Kericho County, on Monday, when he opened the Universal Health Coverage pre-conference, the Deputy President said 100,000 community health promoters have been fully kitted and will visit homes for the promotion and preventive health care. Now, Gachagua said the Community Health Promoters Program is a timely intervention by the government in the health sector, adding that the fruits of the program will be held in every household in the country. He added that the chips were already doing an excellent job.
Unalipa shilingi 500 kila mwezi, sasa utakuwa unalipa shilingi 300. Kwa hii Social Health Authority, wewe mwananchi ulikuwa unakuja hospitali unaambiwa hii imekuwa covered na NHIF na hii haijakuwa covered. Hiyo maneno sasa tumefunga kila kitu, so long as uko na Social Health Authority itaweza kuchunga.
Universal healthcare coverage that we have learned today will speak to the lives of so many people. Hawa watu wanyama nyumbani who cannot afford to come to big hospitals will be handled right at the village level. And it is out of this that we want to celebrate the Kenya Kwanza government for their commitment to ensure that we get right on health. Because if we don't get right on health, then there will be no wealth in the county.
Tumebadilisha mfumo wa afya na matibabu kuirudisha pale nyumbani. Hiyo ni kusema ya kwamba tumepata wale watu ya kujitolea, community health promoters, zaidi ya 100,000 wamenunuliwa vifaa na serikali.
Now, Public Service Performance and Service Delivery Cabinet Secretary